there's a lot of great technology out there, but where we see companies really struggling is with how to equip the employees to adopt that new technology. And this is where MaxGrip has years of expertise and can leverage our research data to then go in and do this sort of change management and equipping the company to really adopt a program over time. That's where the value is.
So what we take away from the research from LNS is that the people side, when you're implementing IT, is extremely important. And a lot of companies underestimate the effort that is required to get technology actually adopted by the company. We are helping asset-intensive companies implementing asset performance management. And what you typically see is that they put a lot of focus on the processes, on the technology part, while we are really strong at bringing in that people aspect. Through that change management, we see that companies actually start excelling in executing the asset performance management.
One plant at a time, people miss the value. But if you go in and actually see the culture change, see that adoption take place by the employees, then you see scale and value transform an organization.